Okay, today we will be adjusting the belt tension on an RTU blower motor. So safety first, remember to turn off the power to the RTU and wear PPE. So here's the RTU in question. Let's turn off the power first. And to access the blower motor, we're going to need to remove this side panel that you see right here. There's some Tek screws you got to unscrew. Panel comes off, there's your blower. See how floppy the belt is? I'm going to start by loosening these two bolts on either side of the motor here. And then this large long bolt, I'm going to keep turning it to the right clockwise until I get the proper tension on my belt. You also want to inspect your belt for cracks or any uneven wear. Once you're happy with it, tighten those bolts back down. I want to tell you right quick about a Practical Facilities Maintenance Handbook available in ebook and paperback format on Amazon.com. It has common facilities, documents, signage, and tags, as well as resource material and shop equipment drawings that you can use for your facility to fabricate your own shop equipment. Or if you also need hats, shirts, or mugs, or weather-resistant stickers for your facility, there's a link in the video description below for this facility store where you can purchase these items, as well as a link in the video description below for the Practical Facilities Maintenance Handbook. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.